Hello from EICMA. This is a moment that I've been waiting for. So this is the first time that I've been able to have a look at Kawasaki's Z-H2 in the flesh. And yeah, it looks a lot bigger in the photos than it does in the flesh. It's actually quite compact. It's quite stocky, it's quite sort of stout, very purposeful looking. It's kind of split opinions, this bike. Basically, because of the styling of the front end, some people don't think it's... I don't know, I think it looks alright actually. I think it looks quite cool. So, first things first, this is not just a H2 without fairings, it is a completely new bike. So different suspension, different swing arm, different frame as well, which you can see. You look at the trellis item on the H2 there. Compared to the Z, it is a completely different frame. It's putting out about the same amount of power as the H2SX Tourer, which you can just see behind the H2 there. So it's got like 205 or 208 horsepower, which, I mean, on the naked is kind of, you couldn't really imagine how you'd be able to make use of any more than that. We are hopefully on the launch for this new bike next year, and it is priced extremely competitively. When you think about the other 200 horsepower super naked offerings that have been unveiled, things like the Brutale 1000 and the Ducati Street Fighter V4, we have no confirmed price, but we might have it confirmed, but it's under 16 grand, which is damn good value in my opinion. So yeah, it is a hell of a lot of bike for the money. And that is now the pinnacle of the Kawasaki Z range, the naked range. Still got the cool air inlet there for the supercharger. And it is the 2-speed supercharger that spools up. You can see that new swing arm back there, which is, when they designed it and built it, they borrowed heavily from the ZX10 Superbike. So it's got sort of elements of that within the swing arm. They needed something that was a bit more sort of rigid and a little bit stronger. Got a full TFT dash, as you'd expect. And all the bells and whistles. So yeah, like I said, there's going to be a press launch for this in the new year, and Visordown are very hopeful that we are going to be the people to bring you all of the opinion on what it's like to ride a 206 horsepower or 205 horsepower supercharged Kawasaki Z-H2.